Dollar bills flowing like a river, transitioning to people confidently managing their finances. What if I told you that your money could be working harder for you than you ever imagined? Instead of you constantly working for money, your money could be working for you. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the harsh truth. If you're not actively making your money work for you, you might be stuck working for it forever. Today, I'll show you the powerful secrets to put your money to work so you can unlock financial freedom sooner than you think. Understanding the concept of making money work for you. Making money work for you means that every dollar you earn isn't just spent and gone. It's invested, growing, and creating more wealth. Think of it as planting a tree, one that keeps bearing fruit season after season. Imagine a life where your hard-earned money generates enough income to support you, so you can focus on things that truly matter. This is possible, and it's how the wealthy build their financial empires. But it's not just for the rich. Anyone can start building wealth with the right tools. So why aren't more people doing this? The answer is simple: lack of knowledge and action. But today, you're changing that. Key steps to making money. Work for you. Investing in assets that grow over time. The first step is learning about assets that grow. These include stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investments. You might have heard of compound interest. It's where your money grows on itself, multiplying your wealth over time. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger with each turn. Imagine investing $1,000 today, and in 20 years, watching it turn into $5,000 or even $10,000. That's the power of compounding. And no, hiding money under your mattress doesn't count as an investment strategy. But remember, investing alone isn't enough. There's another piece of the puzzle you need: passive income streams. Next, let's talk about passive income. This is money you earn without having to put in daily effort, like rental income, dividends, or earnings from a side hustle you've automated. It's money that keeps coming in even when you're asleep. Imagine being able to do what you love, travel, spend time with family, or pursue hobbies, while your passive income streams keep the money flowing. That's financial freedom. So how do you build these income streams? Stick around because it's simpler than you might think. Automating your savings and investments. Automation is key. The more you can set and forget, the more consistent your wealth-building journey will be. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your investment accounts or savings. This way, you don't even have to think about it. The money is already working for you. Ask yourself, is your money working for you right now? If not, it's time to make a change. These strategies can put your money to work, but there's one crucial step that holds it all together. Remember, making money work for you is a journey, one that leads to freedom, security, and endless opportunities. By investing, building passive income, setting goals, and staying disciplined, you're giving yourself a future that others can only dream of. Now, if you're ready to dive deeper, check out my video on why investing in gold is a smart move to understand the power of compounding. You'll learn how even small investments can grow your wealth over time. Click here to watch it and take one step closer to financial mastery.